Planning your monthly expenses from your salary is an important aspect of financial management. It helps ensure that you have enough money to cover your essential needs, save for the future, and also enjoy some discretionary spending. Here are some steps to help you plan your monthly expenses. 1. Determine your monthly income. Start by calculating your total monthly income. This should include your salary, any additional sources of income, or regular financial support you receive. 2. List fixed expenses. Identify your fixed expenses, which are recurring bills that remain relatively constant each month. Examples include rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, insurance premiums, loan payments, and any other fixed monthly subscriptions. 3. Estimate variable expenses. Variable expenses are costs that can fluctuate from month to month. These may include groceries, dining out, entertainment, transportation, fuel, public transport, and other flexible spending. 4. Budget for savings and investments. Determine how much money you want to save or invest each month. Allocate a portion of your salary for long-term goals such as an emergency fund, retirement savings, or other investments. 5. Account for irregular expenses. Consider expenses that don't occur every month but happen periodically, such as medical checkups, car maintenance, or vacations. Set aside a small amount each month for these irregular expenses to avoid financial strain when they arise. 6. Emergency fund. Plan to set aside a portion of your salary for an emergency fund. This fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses and act as a safety net in case of unexpected events like medical emergencies or job loss. 7. Debt repayment. If you have outstanding debts like credit card debt or loans, allocate a part of your salary towards paying them off. Aim to pay more than the minimum to reduce the interest and clear the debt faster. 8. Track and review. Keep track of your actual expenses each month and compare them against your budget. This will help you identify areas where you might be overspending or where you can adjust your budget to be more realistic. 9. Adjust as necessary. Life is dynamic, and circumstances may change. If your income or expenses change significantly, adjust your budget accordingly. Always be flexible and adapt your financial plan to new situations. 10. Be disciplined. Stick to your budget as closely as possible. Avoid unnecessary impulse purchases and stay committed to your financial goals. 11. Use tools and apps. Consider using budgeting tools or apps to help you manage your finances effectively. Many apps can link to your bank accounts and provide insights into your spending patterns. Remember, the key to successful budgeting is discipline and consistency. By planning your monthly expenses carefully, you can achieve financial stability and work towards achieving your long-term financial goals.